kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter J. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter J. Are you ready? J is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter J. How to write the uppercase letter J? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter J. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight and curve back left. Lift. Start at the blue headline. Slide right. This is a lowercase letter J. How to write the lowercase letter J? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter J. Start at the red midline. Pull down straight, crossing the blue baseline. Curve back left. Lift. Start halfway between the red midline and blue headline. Dot. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter J. J is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter J sounds as J, J, J.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab.
Read the consonant vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Jaw, jum. Jet, jill. Jaw, jog. Jog. Jaw. Now it's your turn. Well done. Jacket. Jackfruit. Jaguar. Jam. janitor. Jar. Jelly. Jellyfish. Jet. Jill. Jog. Jog. Jump. Jungle. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter J. Jacket, jackfruit, jaguar, jam, janitor, jar, jelly, jellyfish, jet, Jill, jog, jump, jungle. Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins with the sound of the letter J. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jog. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jet. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jar. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jam. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jungle. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jelly. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jump. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is jacket. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter J. J. You may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter J. Jump, jackfruit, jelly, jellyfish, juice, janitor. Now, practice writing letter J on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.